OJAYA Deep Meditation is the simplest, the easiest, the most powerful, and most blissful meditation you'll find anywhere. Join Sukaishi David in the Earthborn Rainforest online classroom.
You just watch the video and take the quiz, and you're done.
Sukaishi shows you secrets of deep meditation that were forgotten for centuries. Sukaishi compares meditation methods taught today in schools around the world. You'll learn how these methods have been watered down over the centuries and why they no longer qualify as deep meditation. You'll learn to avoid common mistakes that prevent you from resting deep in meditation. Do you now practice any meditation technique? If so, is your meditation easy, effortless, and energizing? As you meditate, are you calm, serene, at peace? Whether you've practiced meditation for years or you're starting right now, completely fresh, the OJAYA course contains a wondrous knowledge that will uplift you immediately. If you wish to learn these ancient teachings, then start now at OJAYA.com. You never know what will happen next in the Earthborn Rainforest. OJAYA Deep Meditation. Start now